Hey there, struggling with your Fire TV stick connected to Wi-Fi but no internet? You're not alone. This is a common problem many Fire TV stick users face. In this guide, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix this issue so you can get back to streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Step 1. Restart your Fire TV stick. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. To restart your Fire TV stick, follow these steps. Press and hold the Home button on your remote. Select Settings, Device and Software, Restart. Wait for your Fire TV stick to restart and check if the problem persists. Restarting will refresh the device's connection settings, which can resolve minor glitches. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your internet connection is working properly. Check if other devices such as phones or laptops can connect to the internet. If they can't connect either, try restarting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Once your router is back online, see if your Fire TV stick connects to the internet. Step 3. Reconnect Wi-Fi on Fire TV stick. If other devices connect but your Fire TV does not, try reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Network. Find and select your Wi-Fi network, then choose Forget. Re-enter your Wi-Fi password to reconnect. Reconnecting can help establish a new connection between your Fire TV stick and router, resolving potential configuration issues. Step 4. Update or reboot network equipment. Outdated router firmware or hardware issues can cause connectivity problems. Consider the following. Log into your router's settings page via a browser and check for firmware updates. If a firmware update is available, follow the instructions to update your router. If your router has been running for an extended period, a simple reboot can often clear any temporary issues. Step 5. Check your Fire TV stick setting. Incorrect settings could disrupt the connection. Go to Settings, Network. Ensure your Fire TV stick is set to automatically obtain an IP address. If you're using a static IP, make sure the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway settings match those of your network. Step 6. Factory Reset. As a last resort, you can reset your Fire TV stick to factory settings. Go to Settings, Device and Software. Choose Reset to Factory Defaults and confirm. Note that doing this will erase all your settings and installed apps, so use it only if none of the above steps work. Troubleshooting your Fire TV stick connected to Wi-Fi but no internet issue doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most connectivity problems and get back to enjoying your content without interruption. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions like a restart are the most effective. Happy streaming.